They say the air is different at the top, thinner, sharper. From here, in the silent heart of a skyscraper that pierces the clouds, the city below is just a tapestry of distant lights, a sprawling galaxy of countless lives and untold stories. Ticker tapes scroll by in a silent, hypnotic dance of numbers, whispering fortunes won and lost in the digital ether. Here, cloaked in shadow, sits a figure, a silhouette against the vast, glittering expanse. He is a legend, a myth, a name spoken in reverence and fear on the floors of every exchange from New York to Hong Kong, Alexander Sterling. His empire was not inherited, it was forged in the crucible of ambition, a monument to a will that bent the world to its shape. This is the view from the summit of a lifetime's climb, a place of profound power and echoing solitude. The ascent was anything but silent. Rewind the decades, and the glass and steel dissolve into the visceral chaos of the old trading floors. A younger Alexander, all sharp angles and burning intensity, moves through the cacophony not as a participant, but as a predator. The air, thick with the scent of sweat, paper, and desperation, is his natural element. We see him in grainy, flickering flashbacks, a maestro conducting an orchestra of panic and greed. Each decision is a masterpiece of calculation, a risk weighed on scales invisible to others. He saw patterns in the noise, opportunity in the despair. The alliances he forged were temporary, the loyalties he commanded conditional. With each ruthless maneuver, another brick was laid in the foundations of his burgeoning empire, each one cemented with the failures of those who dared to stand in his way. He wasn't just playing the game, he was rewriting the rules. Then came the day the world held its breath. The markets, once a symbol of indomitable growth, began to hemorrhage. The screens bled red, a digital deluge that washed away fortunes and futures in a matter of hours. Panic was a contagion, sweeping through the trading floors like a plague. Seasoned veterans wept, titans of industry fell to their knees. But in the eye of this financial hurricane, one man remained impossibly calm. Alexander Sterling, now at the zenith of his power, stood impassive amidst the maelstrom. While others scrambled to sell, to salvage anything from the wreckage, he made his move. A single, audacious, counterintuitive bet against the entire world. It was a gamble of such epic proportions that it bordered on madness. A play that would either shatter his empire into dust or elevate him into the realm of legend. As the dust settled, it was clear which it would be. He hadn't just survived the crash, he had profited from it, securing his name in the annals of history forever. Now the chaos is a distant memory, the roar of the trading floor replaced by the hushed hum of climate control. We return to the present, to the elder statesman of finance in his penthouse throne. Alexander Sterling, the man who conquered the world, gazes out at the city he helped build and bend. The face, etched with the deep lines of 1,000 battles, is a mask of contemplation. The fire in his eyes has softened to an ember, glowing with the weight of a legacy built on ambition's sharp edge. He has it all, the wealth, the power, the immortality of a name that will echo through generations. Yet in the profound silence of his victory, a question hangs in the air, as vast and as lonely as the night sky before him. What is the true cost of reaching the top? And what do you find when there is nowhere left to climb?